Remember, some things have to end for better things to begin. Time always exposes what you truly mean to someone. Life will separate you from your friends, so appreciate each moment you have together. Being private, staying low-key, and not telling everyone everything is self-care. Money is a tool, not the goal. Freedom is the goal. You are responsible for your own happiness. If you expect others to make you happy, you will always be disappointed. Do what no one else can do, and you will become what no one else can become. Stay calm. You've been through this before. You'll get through it again. A negative mind will never give you a positive life. You deserve it. The career, the love, the family, the peace, the life. Your vision will be blurry, but it will grow clear with time. Patience is your ally. Never forget who helped you in a difficult time. You will